Amo, come and help me. Amo, Jesus. What is this? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. How? Oh, Nkiru! Like serious. Hey, God, God.
Yes, Sissy.
What is this? What is this? Come, no, 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 come. What is this? What is this? Where's the Kiruka?
Yes, Auntie.
Hi, God. What is this?
No, we just packed it from the line.
You packed your clothes from the line, yes. It's either your clothes are too much and now, who uses this? Only one person is okay. Who uses this? How? What normal human being? How does this make sense to you? I actually walked here for you to gel my hair, and I'm missing these things. Like, look at how beautifully you are. Like, look at yourself. Just look at yourself. How beautifully you are dressed, and this is the mess on your bed. You packed your clothes on the line. You packed clothes on the line, and you now left it here. So you comfortably put clothes on a dress bed and walked away. Assuming your friends walk into your room. With the way you are dressed, your friends say, oh, beautiful, looking good, neat. With the way you are dressed. Then they walk in here. They walk in here. What do you think your friends will see? Go downstairs, go and get me one egg. So that I will show you what it looks like.
Okay.
Get me one egg, get me a plate. And a spoon. And get one. Me? These things are not making sense. You are ready for university. This is what you are going to be doing with people in the room. With people in the room. And you keep giving people excuses. I actually packed it. Oh, I actually packed my clothes on the line. Oh, I actually packed my clothes on the line. And they will keep listening to you packing clothes on the line every day. Who lives this way? Your friends walking, like seriously, your friends walking. This is not being responsible. Now, I'm not saying you are not responsible, but this action or this attitude or this behavior does not reflect any sense of responsibility or any sense of somebody who is ready to leave the home for university to share rooms with people. We don't get used to things, man. Look at Angelica finished, dumped on the bed. You backload on the bed. And if I actually ask now, what are you doing? You have forgotten that you left clothes on the bed.
You see there.
Now sit. I'm going to show you something. Feel how smooth. Turn this way so that you see it very well. Feel how smooth this egg is.
Smooth.
Good. Feel this egg. Smooth. If I break this egg, what will happen? Everything is going to fall out. This is how. Turn this way because I'm going to give you the experiment. This is how beautifully, the smoothness of this egg skin is how smoothly and beautifully you appear. This is how you appear beautifully. This is how you appear in front of your friends or in front of yourself in the mirror. And when people, now this is your inside. This rather is your real self. This is your inside. We don't know what is in the inside of the egg. When you now break the egg, if it is a bad egg, what will happen?
Smell.
If it is a good egg, what do you do to it? You eat it. You just eat raw egg or you fry it before eating. Oh really? You are going to fry it? If it is actually a bad egg, this is what your bad egg is. Scattered, everywhere. This is what it looks like. Please. I don't even want to talk. I came here to get my hair arranged, but what I am seeing, I can't even stand it. Now let me tell you something. The major reason, because come on, be putting gel on my hair because I need to go to get arranged. The major reason you need to keep your room. Everywhere you need to arrange your life, your rooms or your wardrobes, or keep your things in order. There's no excuse for not being organized. One of the things you need to understand that the way you keep your things affects your way of life. That's the real truth. It affects your way of life. Number one, you should always bear in mind that you are going to live beyond your home. You will share rooms with people. Wait, in the morning house, is this where you scatter your clothes on the bed? Okay, you now do it in the house. Now, you are going to share rooms with people. You will share with, let that thing be very good though. Let my face turn out well. You are going to share rooms with people. One. And you are going to work with other people. And in working with people, you should have organized yourself. Your wardrobe, your school, your shoe rack, everything needs to be well arranged. This is the way it works. You need to put yourself in order.
So we are going to arrange it, don't worry, we are going to arrange it. We understand the fact that you're angry with us for disorganizing our clothes. We are going to arrange it. We are going to arrange it, and we are sorry for leaving our clothes.
You don't need to be sorry. There are things. See, you don't need to be sorry. I don't have a wound. I don't matter. You don't need to be sorry. All you need to do is to be responsible. You need to be responsible about your belongings. You need to be. What's she doing there? You need to be responsible about how you keep your things. You need to be responsible about your belongings. See, for your life. It even helps you in your relationship. Like when you start having all this, is it boyfriend or maybe I don't know.
I'm 16, so
I know that you are 16. Are you not?
I've not gotten to the level of having a boyfriend.
Whatever, be it with your friends, girlfriends, or what friends, boyfriends, or what later in the future. These things will help your relationship. When we talk relationship, we are still talking about family members, we are talking about your friends, we are talking about your colleagues, we are talking about people you are going to meet in school. It will help you even in your mental health. It will help you even in your physical life. When you walk into your room and your room is organized, you feel this happiness. What is that girl doing?
She's trying to do your hair, but you.
So we stop doing it. Come and listen. Come and listen. What I'm saying is this. See, organizing your life is very important. No matter how you look at it. Put your things in order. Immediately you pack out your clothes from the wire. Fold it and keep it in your wardrobe. Even the way you organize yourself also helps you as a leader. It helps you as a human being. It makes you feel good. It gives you peace. When you walk into your room and it is well arranged, you feel this peace in you. You feel this goodness in you. If you do not arrange your things, you find out that everything you do is scattered. You're always in a hurry. You're always in a rush. Not being organized or not being arranged. I'm not telling you to be perfect because everybody's not going to be perfectly organized. But then, you need to arrange your things. It's very important. You cannot finish making your hair. Throw everything away. It's just that there's no value. Organizing your things teaches you value for things. It teaches you value for things. And another thing is that, well, okay, imagine throwing this thing here. Then it gets you. I have kicked it under the bed. I'm just showing you. Imagine that is what happened. Where is my shampoo? Where is my? You start scratching and start ranting and raising, bringing down the roof. It helps you know where you kept your things. It helps you know where you kept your things. The moment you are looking for it, you go to that place and pick it. So don't just wake up in the morning, dress so well, dress so fine, neatly, arrange your hair, and inside your room is a mess. Rather. Please. It has nothing to do with if you are a girl or if you are a boy. It has a lot to do with your personality, what you intend to put together in your life. I think we are going to go back to the way we have been doing it. Somebody is going to take charge of the clothes. and another person is going to take charge of the bed for 1 week. Let's go back to the way we were doing it before. So who is going to be arranging? Who is arranging the clothes for one week?
Bed. 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 Bed.
If you are arranging the bed, it means that this clothes is a problem. It is how to fold the clothes that is the problem. Who is doing bed? Who is doing clothes?
Bed.
Good. If you are going to do bed, you are going to do the floor of the room.
Clothes.
You already say you're doing bed. What's the problem? You already say you're doing bed.
Does floor
I'm
include
doing
mopping?
clothes.
You are mopping the floor.
I'm doing clothes. You're confused. You already said you're doing bed. You already established that part. I'm doing clothes. I will pack it from the wire. I will fold it, put it in the drawer.
So you are arranging bed, you are sweeping the floor, and you are mopping the floor.
Sweetie, she's only doing clothes.
Who is she? Who is she's only doing clothes?
She's got a name.
Nkiru is only doing clothes.
You chose before, but you didn't even wait for me to toss the coin to the end. And you were. How will for do am? What is going to happen?
She's going to. Monica is going to do the bed, the floor, while I do the clothes.
You are packing the clothes. When I mean clothes, everybody's clothes.
Yes.
From the wire, fold it, put it into their wardrobes. You are doing everybody's bed, sweeping the floor of the room, and mopping the floor. Deal or no deal? You pay.
Deal.
She will pay. Basically, this is just for us to go back to the way we were living, intentional responsibility. So, whomsoever that is doing the bed, do it well. Listen, I want to tell you something I read. If it falls on you to sweep the street, sweep it like Michiangelo. Is it Michiangelo? What do they call me? What that guy that painted? Is that it? Sweep it like he. Leonardo da Vinci or whomsoever, you are the art person. Like they painted. Like if it falls on you right now to arrange this room, sweep it and clean or put your things in order, can you like do it like who? Like, is it, I don't know who I'm going to say. Is it Beyonce or Tiwa Savage, the way their music sells? Or do it like Robin Sharma's book you read and you fall in love with his writing? It took time. It was intentional. Be cool. This, get up, let's go to work. For today, the both of you are going to do it together. For today. So it's a done deal. So it's not as if I'm harsh, but why are you frowning your face? Did I do anything wrong?
I don't want to do the bed.
Huh? You don't want to do the bed? It's a done deal. We're going to do it for 1 week, then we exchange it again. Deal or no deal?
Okay, deal.
So, let's be responsible. It helps our life. For the things we have, we must appreciate God for them and always put value on your things. It helps you. People of God, oh, I have come back. Don't mind what I'm doing, please. I don't know, parents. I walked in here thinking that my daughter was there so that she will actually help me to gel my hair because I saw the way she did her hair. And I got in here, I met this father. If you wear my shoes, what will happen? These are the things that trigger parents. And the next thing, children will start saying, you are shouting. Please, if you are just new to my channel, thank you for coming in. My old members, thank you for being tribe members. Let's grow, subscribe, get your neighbor, get your friends. Let's build parenting together.